Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we are going to solve this given exponential equation x power 3 minus 729 equals to 0. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here's the very first thing we are going to do. Let me go ahead and move this negative 729 on the right hand side. And here in this next step, 729 has been taken care of. And now let's focus on this 729. And now we can see that 729 could be written as 9 power 3. That means we can multiply 9 3 times. So therefore, this equation could be written as x power x and then power 3 equals to 9 power 3. And now here's our next step. Let's go ahead and take power 3 on this side and take power 3 on the right hand side as well. And now let's go ahead and recall this power rule. According to this rule, we can multiply this x power 3 times 3. So the left hand side could be written as x power 3 times x power 3 equals to, we are going to multiply out these nested exponents as well. So that is going to give us 9 power 3 times 3 is 9 as well. And now we are going to apply this power rule once again on the left hand side. So this left hand side could be written as x power 3 and then whole power x power 3 as well equals to 9 power 9. And now we can see that this identical pattern is going to give us x power 3 equals to 9. And now let's go ahead and take a cube root on both sides to isolate x. I'm going to take cube root on the right hand side as well. And now we can see this cube and cube root, they undo each other. So we got x equal to cube root of 9 as our solution. So thus our solution turns out to be x equal to cube root of 9. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.